A rainy day yesterday. It started to rain early in the morning. I looked out the window and saw dark clouds in the sky. The streets were wet, and people used umbrellas to stay dry. I stayed inside and wrote a short story in my notebook. Then, I drank hot tea and listened to music. Rainy days are calm and peaceful. I love watching the rain and spending time at home.
Vocabulary words with meanings.
Rain. Water falling from the sky. Looked. To see or watch. Window. An opening in the wall to see outside. Clouds. White or gray shapes in the sky that bring rain. Wet. Covered with water. Umbrellas. A tool used to protect from rain. Wrote. Past tense of write. To make words on paper. Tea. A hot drink made with leaves. Music. Sounds made with instruments or singing. Notebook. A book used for writing.